Hi guys, good morning. So, yeah, how are you? So, nagbabalik si Mami Chai because I know naman that you know me doing contents recent years, 'di ba? And dito nyo naman din talaga ako nakilala. And I wanted to go back and push this project na naisip ko lately. And yeah, to continue doing what I really love, blogging, making contents, TikTok, YouTube, right? Meron akong mga ganyan, and especially sa Facebook. And medyo recently nga, na-busy ako, and yeah, naghahanap ng, pagkakitaan online, kahit ano, pwede, di ba? But right now, I wanted to have a goal or a purpose na something na pwede kong i-impart um, sa mga viewers, sa mga followers, na hindi lang kayo basta nanonood. So, dapat meron naman kayong matututunan. Something worth it or worthwhile, right? So, we will be talking about personality development, manifestation, how to manifest things that you wanted to happen in your life, or what are your dreams, what are those manifestations that you wanted to transpire, or the universe wanted to conspire or transpire. I don't know what's the right term, but yeah, something like that. So we will be talking about the personality development, and mainly mag-umpisa tayo sa self-confidence, yung kung paano ka haharap sa tao kasi 'di ba? Yung pagbo-vlog is napaka-importante na meron ka talagang self-confidence. And then developing discipline, breaking bad habits, and sort of. And what else? The manifestation, ano ba yung mga beliefs, visualization, gratitude, identity, and the success systems. Yeah, meron din tayong mga real stories, meron din tayong sharing. Yeah, you will hear those from me. And hopefully, I will see you guys. See you on the next one. Bye!